Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E220D AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked. We do have the white exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, Pan America front grille and the big Mercedes badge in the centre. There's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel again in excellent condition just down here. Taking a step back, you find the colour-coded door handles. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. It could also get put onto a tilt. Now we also have front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser at the back and also the boot, which if you just press the button on the remote you'll find it will open like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space, just go quite far back. Got the storage net on the left hand side. Coming back out we also have a button, press the button and then the boot will close again like so. And making our way back round to the driver's side you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back you can see we have the full black leather seats, refundable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have ambient lighting on the doors, AMG floor mats and vents in the centre for the rear passengers. You'll find the electric windows as well on the doors. Taking a look at the front, same leather seats with both the front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. There's a look at the roof from the inside. As you can see, seat controls are on the doors. We also have the premium MERCEDES sound system, ambient lighting, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down here. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable by using this stalk here. We also have the adaptive cruise control on the one below it. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, digital dashboard free from any warning lights. You can also change the view. If you go onto the main menu you can scroll through all these different features just here on the dashboard. You can also change the design. So on sport, go to classic, you see it changes. Same with progressive just there. Let's go back to sport though. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav. If this screen or any other screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life. It's nothing to worry about. We do have the buttons down here, so click onto radio. Then you'll find the radio stations will appear. We also have the media options where you find the Bluetooth audio, along with the other options as well just here on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. And then on the main menu you find we have the Connect where you'll find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going back on the main menu we can scroll over to Vehicle, and then if we go back down onto the light settings you'll find we have the ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours to go through. Looks really nice at night time. You can see it's behind the screen, underneath here, across the doors and also down here and in the footwells. We have then the dual zone climate control and the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the clock in the centre. Inside of here we have some storage space with the cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity. We then have the drive mode button just here, so you can see we can flick through the different drive modes. You've got Sport, Sport Plus, we then have Individual, Comfort and the Eco drive mode as well. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera, but we do also have the 360 view on the right, and we can go through each individual camera and you can see they all work as they should do. Putting the car back into park, and then finally we also have the buttons down here for the air suspension. So you can see we can press this button and the vehicle will start to raise it, press it again and it will go back down. Cameras button and also the auto start button. Armrest here in the centre, you can open that up and you find we have the USB ports inside of there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz E220D AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as to expect it to. As you can see, I'm about to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable. We do also have the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you simply tap all the paddles to change gear. We also have the adaptive cruise control on this stalk just down here, digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different features and different displays that you would have seen in the walk around video and also on photos. We also have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible, but if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable, and you can easily do 2, 3, up to 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. They're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions, again adds to that comfort level. Now we also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle, with a panoramic glass sunroof up top, ambient lighting as well, which runs across the doors, across the dash and all throughout the interior. Looks really nice at night time. We then have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Again, plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Below there we also have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have the air suspension, really smooth ride, along with the automatic gearbox, which is again smooth going through all of the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before we can make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. Wait for this car to go past, and then turning right onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reverse camera and the 360 view, back into drive, change it to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.